This is the everyday makeup that I wear, that I've been wearing. A lot of it's super beat up because I've had it for so long. But my face these days, I've been wearing the Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. This is a really good dupe for Estee Lauder's Double Wear. I use Tarte Shape Tape. This is my holy grail for under eyes. And then this one's running out, so another drugstore dupe is Maybelline Instant Eraser. This is so good. I use the NYX Lift and Snatch for my eyebrows. This is a old Morphe brush that's broken. And someone asked me what blush I wore recently. This is Milani Rose d'Oro. So pretty. I've been using Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil for my under eyes. I've been lining my lips with Too Faced Lip Injection. I've always used Hoola Toasted by Benefit for contouring. I love Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte mascara. You guys know my holy grail for my lips is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink and also NYX. Love them. I just got this wet, so it's super huge. But this is what I'm going to be using for putting my makeup on and setting my under eyes. This is Real Techniques Beauty Blender. And I use the Duo for my lash glue. And then I have some lashes over there. My favorite highlighter is the Becca Champagne Pop. But it is like used up. I hit pan like a year ago and I never bought another one. But while I was organizing my room and cleaning my closet and unpacking all of the bathroom stuff, I found the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero's palette for highlighters. You guys, it is so pretty. I like Daydream. Love it. I don't think they sell this anymore. But I will always love the Champagne Pop by Becca. So when I make an Ulta run, I will get another Champagne Pop. I'm drinking some Alani Nu in a glass because my Alani Nus, I forgot to restock them in the refrigerator and they were warm sitting out on the counter. So I put some in ice. So today's travel day and I am nice and wide awake. I have to go pay rent. I have 2 hours. It's 9 o'clock. And my mom will be here at 11:30 to take us to the airport to get my rental car. So I have to get myself ready. I have to get all 4 kids ready. I think I'm going to give Max a bath. And I need to clean my car seats so they'll be nice and clean inside of the rental car. I need to pack the rental car and then we can be on our way.
What if we were going on an airplane and you bought 2 of these for Sister New?
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Mommy?
What?
Do they have a bathroom now?
Where, at the hotel?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. And a shower.
We're going on a seat now.
Yeah.
Let's be a seat now to the seat video.
Yes.
Actually, I didn't pass the seat that I really liked.
Okay, what is it?
That bunny.
Oh yeah, take it with you. That's a good idea.
Ready?
I'm gonna wear this Free People dupe jumpsuit and then this sheer body fitting top from Shein. It was like $4, so cute. I'm gonna wear a bra underneath it and then this jean jacket, the sleeveless jean jacket from Shein. Super cute. Okay, so I am dressed and ready, except for it's raining outside, so I don't know if I should wear this hat or this hat because I want to protect my hair.
Mom, what's a pee? You feel tired pee?
You don't have,
because maybe I don't think that hat can get wet.
Okay, so there's this one. This hat. Or this hat. I think I like the pink one. Kind of brings like a sporty vibe to a chic everyday outfit. I think I'm gonna do the pink one. Yeah, for sure. And it matches my lipstick too, so.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no.
Okay, so we made it. You guys, we made it to the hotel. It's not what I was expecting, but we're here. We're gonna make use of it and enjoy ourselves. We're getting ready to leave to go meet my uncle and auntie in downtown Spokane to go to the buffet, Golden Corral. Let me know down in the comments if you've ever been there. Every time we come to Spokane, we go to Golden Corral, and it's kind of like a family tradition with my Uncle Cedric. We always go to Golden Corral with him, so we're excited to go. We're hungry. We haven't eaten in hours.
Her name's Tilly, and she's like 10 to my side, and she's my best friend.
Tilly's your best friend?
Mine too.
What's wrong?
Nothing with my other two. No, I don't know where it is.
Well, it's in the hotel room somewhere. It couldn't have gone far, honey.
Ow! I have to see Mom's right. Where did you find this at? Sorry,
What's up?
yeah. Then it says how to make a Maxwell.
Here.
Can I blush? No, then it's come off.
You want some? No, this is not. This is lip gloss. Lip gloss comes off.
I already got this one. Blush.
This is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost in the shade Radiant. I recommended this to you guys, and a whole bunch of you guys went and got it and love it. My phone's been shutting off and shutting on, turning on and off. I can't open my emails. I can't do a lot of stuff. It says my iPhone storage is full, but I'll buy more storage and it'll still say that it's full, so I think I need to upgrade my phone. I have an iPhone 11 Plus XR or something, but I think I need a new phone.
Yeah, they do actually. iPhone 16.
We went to dinner with my uncle and auntie and our cousins, and don't go in the, you have no shirt on, honey. And we just got back from swimming in the hotel, and now we're doing these everyday acai masks that I got from Amazon.
Guys.
They're by Face Tori.
This one's mine, and then that one's Sugary, and then this one that my mom just showed you is Sophia's.
What kind did you get?
I got the acai bow.
Everyday Pearl.
I got everyday lemon.
And so I am so exhausted from driving all day and from being in this big city traffic, from with all the kids. Hey guys, take them off. Maxwell slept the whole time we were in the pool, and I forgot his swim trunks. I forgot my swimsuit. So I kind of timed it just right. It's almost 9 o'clock. Sorry. I timed it just right so Maxwell would be sleeping at the same time we went swimming. And he did. He stayed sleeping the whole time in his car seat. And the girls went swimming, and I just sat there and watched the kids swimming. We're in Spokane, Washington, and Sugary's appointment is tomorrow morning at 9:20. So we're gonna get up, shower up, get ready, go downstairs to breakfast, and then go to her appointment. And I will just vlog everything with you guys. I think we're gonna try to stop by Trader Joe's tomorrow. So this is gonna be a 2-day vlog. Good night, guys. It's the next morning, and the kids are slowly waking up. I'm already dressed. I've gotten a little bit of makeup on, and everyone's so tired. But we're gonna go and get breakfast. We're cleaning up the room now, so we're gonna clean up the room first, go get breakfast, and then head out from here to Shook's appointment.
I'm already dressed.
Good morning. Come here. Good morning.
Mommy, look. He'll get that.
Good morning,
Look
sweetheart.
what someone did. Yeah.
To sleep.
That. Mommy, look. Mommy,
You sleep good, or your diaper's leaking, bud? You sleep so good. Hi. Did you have a nice sleep? What?
Those are
I need to do my hair.
Those are jokes.
Thank you, girl.
I'm only cleaning up them.
Okay.
Eight? Yeah? Can I hold you? Eight? Can I hold
Go, sister.
you? Can I hold you? And I get to
I've been buying these see-through sheer tops from Shein. And the one that I wore yesterday, the star one, I posted a picture of myself on my Instagram on stories. And there was like 20 or 30 messages of people asking where did I get it from and links. You guys, I get them from Shein, and they're like $5 or $6. Some of them are $4. They're so inexpensive. They're great material, and they're super in right now. I like to layer them just like this underneath a shirt or with a romper. So cute. I'm just gonna wear my hair sloppy like this today. Oh no.
Where's the light at?
Over here, honey.
Of course, but you may be disappointed in the tour guide. It's me.
Oh,
That's the thing about the man. At the end of the day,
Just put on a little bit of gloss. My Neutrogena Hydro Boost.
he's in the shower. I just shower when I'm tired.
Yeah. I'll put on a little bit of this. Lights, Camera, Lashes from Tarte.
Yay!
My lashes, my real lashes have disappeared over the years. I have no lashes. Yeah. You look so cute. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. Hold it open for Mom. Thank you. Everybody ready? Everybody buckle up.
I don't see your tablet. Jeffrey, I don't see your tablet.
So if you haven't noticed, we're in a rental car. The interior in here is all black from what you can see. But my car is acting up. It's still acting up since last year we got it fixed. I got it fixed, and then it's still something else, the chassis control system error. Chassis control error system is what's happening. But I don't have money to get it fixed right now, so I am in a rental car, and the Rogue is parked at home. You guys, we ate these Eggo minis at breakfast. We had oatmeal and these Eggo minis. You pop them in the toaster. They were so good. Layla tore these up. So we got everything in the car. Now we're gonna head up to the Spokane South Hill and go to Shook's appointment. I never even asked him if I can bring 4 kids, because some companies, especially like since COVID, have restrictions on how many kids you can bring. So let's hope that they let us all in. You guys, it's snowing here. Like, how is this happening? Snowing in spring.
It always snows in Spokane. I know.
The destination is on your right.
We made it. We're at the appointment. We're 15 minutes early. Okay, are we gonna be good in here, guys?
Yes.
Are you guys gonna behave?
Yes.
Do you want them to kick us out?
No.
Then you guys, we need to be quiet and sit right by mom.
It's so fused always being loud.
We just got out of Shukri's appointment and everything went well. They said she still has the Brown's disease in her eyes, and she might have Duane's disease, but she needs another appointment in 4 months. In the meantime, she's going to get glasses. Since we are from out of town, they gave us her prescription card to go and get glasses in Tri-Cities. So before we head to Trader Joe's, it's 11 o'clock, it's lunchtime. We are going to go to this little restaurant called Molly's. It looks like a cute little restaurant. It's a family restaurant, and we're just gonna go and eat some lunch, hang out for a little bit, head to Trader Joe's, go home to Tri-Cities. We are in like the heart of downtown. Wait for mom, guys. Thank you. Hi, girls. Smile. Layla. We made it. Favorite store. So far we've gotten tiny fruity cuties. Looking at all the things pink, so pinks and whites. We got these a couple years ago and the kids liked them.
Did we get these?
Yeah. All right, guys, we're headed home. We just left Trader Joe's and time to go home. Okay, we are finally home after our little mini vacation and eyeglass appointment. Super small Trader Joe's haul. I only spent 34 bucks. California garlic powder, mandarin orange chicken. This is such a staple in our house when we go to Trader Joe's. Vegetable fried rice, 2 of them. Some organic Italian pasta. How cute. This looks like I can make some like stroganoff or something like that with this. Organic silver dollar pancakes that I heard were really good. Some tiny fruity cuties that the kids are eating right now with bagels. It's pretty much just like Fruit Loops, frosted, what are they called? Tricks, just like Tricks. And hearts of palm that I've been wanting to try. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this 2-day vlog. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure.